and it is being carried out. The legacy has been carried out since till now. One small thing I have to talk to the students about is, जब हम लोग पढ़ते थे ना तो खादी 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 हम लोग को होते थे क्या यार खादी 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 पहननी है ना. I mean this we had some people, although I was not having it, but many of us were having it. Recently I was teaching in a school also. So recently I was teaching about Gandhian era. So khadi is something which symbolizes Swadeshi, which symbolizes the freedom which our country got from the British rule, which was going on since 200 years, and we are not able to free ourselves. It was something which united the country. It was something which brought the entire country together. The children, the kids, the females, the males, the elderly, they all got united. Till that time, they were all scattered. You know, the small movements were going on throughout the country. Well, Khadi was something which Gandhiji started, and it all united the entire country. It brought the entire country together. This is one thing. Another thing, Modi ji is also talking about the entrepreneurship and the self-development, like small units which we should start ourselves, made in India kind of a thing. So bringing Khadi to a global level is one thing which can bring India to a global platform, right? And along with Khadi, the small artisans and all which they are working, we have all forgotten all these things, and like the entire India is going to ये मैंने बाजार, ये मैंने foreign से खरीदा, ये मैंने फलाने देश से खरीदा, and we feel proud in that. What we have to do is, which we can learn from our Vanasthali also exclusively, is that take proud in what we are producing, what we are doing. Do have your self growth. This is what we are forgetting. Another thing where that kind of a concept is going on in the entire country, in the entire world. What we learn from our Vanasthali is mera nahi hamara. That kind of a concept which we are forgetting, the entire nation, the entire world is forgetting hamara. The teamwork, which Ira also talked about, the teamwork which we are missing. And when I saw the performance of all these kids, then again, it was a flashback for me. I remembered how we all used to prepare cultural events. Abhi to Vanasthali has grown a lot more. I am from 2002 batch. At that time when it was like cultural event karna hai or something, we were having less resources. So we batchmates used to get together, and within 4-5 days we used to plan ki haan aise karna hai. So we were not taking all the people who are dancers, no. What we used to do is ki theek hai ye karna hai, and every girl would used to teach each other, and we used to have a program, and it was a successful program always. मेरी बेटी है, she's in first year, she is in Bombay. So I keep on asking her, she is into stage management kind of a thing. So I keep on saying her, beta, ठीक है, backstage so it's okay, it is also a very जरूरी है, वो भी बहुत जरूरी है, but come in front, try to come in front also. So she says, Mama, ऐसा नहीं कर पाती हूँ because the people are very talented, so they take the front seat. I am on the back seat. पर यहाँ ऐसा नहीं होता है. यहाँ there is no front seat, back seat kind of a thing. अगर आप करना चाहते हो तो everyone is there to support you. Not just the teachers but your batchmates also. एक ऐसा नहीं होता है कि मुझे उसको नीचे दिखाना है, मुझे आगे जाना है. That kind of a thing is not there. And this concept is missing everywhere. सिर्फ वनस्थली में ऐसा देखने को मिलता है कि सब लोग आपको कुछ करना है अगर तो everyone is there to support you. Not just your teachers, not just your batchmates, not just the management. Everyone is there to support you. कुछ भी हो रहा है, कोई project है, कुछ event है, कुछ भी करना है, everyone is there and they all are working as one team. मतलब मैं नहीं हूँ, मैं वनस्थली का पार्ट हूँ. जो हो रहा है वो वनस्थली कर रहा है, मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ, वनस्थली पूरा कर रहा है. So that kind of everywhere. In our families, in the corporate sector, in our families, obviously, unfortunately in our nation also. तो ये आप सब लोग you are budding managers now, तो आप ये चीज पे feel proud in that. ये जो खादी का concept है या जो भी और values हम सिखा रहे हैं, take proud in that, because this is what is missing in the entire world, and the entire world needs it badly. ठीक है, तो जैसा भी अभी हम लोग तो कब से सीखते आए हैं, जो मोदी जी आप बोल रहे हैं हम लोग सुन रहे हैं, हम वनस्थली तो इतने सालों से सिखाते आए हैं और हम लोग ने जब पढ़ा था हम तब से सीखते आए हैं. तो दिस इज व्हाट दिस मेरा काइंड ऑफ अ कंसेप्ट, मैं कंसेप्ट व्हिच ब्रॉट रावण एंड कंस डाउन. मतलब वो इतने लर्नेड थे, लाइक दे वर मोर लर्नेड देन द लॉर्ड्स आल्सो, जिन्होंने उनको मारा. जब उन्होंने अवतार लिया था, इंसान का अवतार लिया था, तब उनकी जितनी नॉलेज थी उससे ज्यादा रावण की नॉलेज थी, और उनसे बड़े शिव भक्त थे वो. बट ही केम डाउन. राम डिड नॉट किल रावण, मैं किल रावण. तो ये मैं वाला कंसेप्ट हमारे यहाँ नहीं है. तो इस चीज को आप समझिए, इनकलकेट कीजिए और दूसरों को सिखाइए, बिकॉज द एंटायर वर्ल्ड नीड्स इट बैडली.
Thank you, Didi, for such an inspiring note and a lesson.